Hello my viewers, hello YouTube, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to take a look at this cordless glue gun. It's a cordless glue gun from Mellif. And you get a 20% discount on this glue gun. And it looks very nice, very simple. 18 to 20 volts, 100 watts, works with a Makita battery. And we're just gonna see how it works. It's very simple, comes with its glue sticks and a small user manual in English. And of course I'm using the Mellif 4 amp hour battery, very nice battery. And this is a very compact machine, smaller than other 20 volt glue guns. Let's see how it operates. There's also an on and off button here on the side. Let me show you. This is on, that's off. And of course it comes with this bag of glue sticks, 11 millimeters. You have two sizes. There's also a smaller size on the market, but this is the 11 millimeters. Just gonna add it here. Until we can get no further. That's the end. Now we put it on. We let it heat up. I think it will change color when it's heated up. Might be turning green. Let's see. And it's green. Nice. Faster than in the description, only 2 minutes. Let's just see how it operates and put some glue on this wood. That works very nice. Very easy. Can operate it with 3 fingers. And you can glue literally everything with this, like carpets, plastics. You can do crafts, make Christmas items, I don't know. Need a new glue stick. You can just slide it in. This one will put the first one through. Push the first one through. To get it in there. There, like this. There we go. Very easy. Lots of glue. Here it's already drying. There is one tip I must give you. When you finish working, just turn it off. Leave the glue stick in there, because if you're pulling it out, it will get jammed in here. Next time when you heat it up, you will automatically push the old glue stick through there. It's only getting warm here, but that's normal. For the rest, very nice, lightweighted. So very simple, very nice, works fine, good hand grip, good trigger. The glue is melting perfectly. And you can use multiple glue sticks after each other before it's heating up again. Heat up time 2 minutes, and you will get a reduction discount code for 20% off in the description. I hope you like this tool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for future videos, and I hope to see you next time.